And this evening, there's a question that's not strange in Jamaica. That is, why is the Sex Offenders Registry not public? Romardo Lyons reports.
Another case, another tragedy, another family left to plan a funeral. And again, in reaction, another debate about making the Sex Offenders Registry public. It's been a debate Jamaica has heard for years. 2022, expose sex offenders, protect our children. 2023, advocate blasts secrecy of Sex Offenders Registry. 2024, is Jamaica prepared for its Sex Offenders Registry to be made public? 2025, MP pledges to lobby for greater access. Still, nothing. In June 2024, Eve for Life raised concerns about the existing registry.
It has a number of challenging things, though. It outlines, for example, when the registry was established, which would have been in Jamaica, we're looking at 2014. It tells us what governs it, the Sexual Offences Act, and it also tells us things that offenders on the registry are monitored for at least 10 years before they're eligible for termination or registration, and it tells us those things.
But it doesn't tell you that Neville Bell is a sex offender?
No, it doesn't.
And in May 2025, a 9-year-old was raped and killed in Job Lane, St. Catherine. This was Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness.
We have recently reformed the Bail Act, and we do have in place a Sex Offenders Registry. But I think this incident requires that we take a second look on how we make this Sex Offenders Registry available to the public so that the public can be armed with information to protect themselves. Yes, there are constitutional issues that we have to balance, but where we are in the society, I have said it before and I'll say it again, that our laws need to favor the protection of life and the protection of the victim rather than trying to protect the criminals.
Over a year later, another heartbreaking story. And sadly, the only thing that changed was the age of the child, from 9 to 10. The Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, has condemned the gruesome murder.
There are simply no words that can lessen the pain of this tragedy. This 10-year-old child should have been given the opportunity to fulfill her dreams. Her parents should have been given the chance to see her graduate from primary school, from university, to see her walk down the aisle. Instead, she was made to become a statistic, another victim of unspeakable violence. We cannot continue to accept these horrific acts as a normal part of our society. Every time a child is abused or murdered, we fail in our collective duty to protect those who depend on us most.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.